Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So this
Sir,
is
while submitting that Unreal file, how do you submit with all the materials and all?
all the materials and everything. What you have to do is you select your level, like wherever you have saved your level, name it properly in an engine. Right click on that, and there is an option called Asset Action. Inside that, there is the option Migrate. So when you click migrate, it will ask for the path. You browse to any folder, any path empty, create a new folder and export everything. It will export anything like related connected to that particular level, so you don't miss anything. Otherwise, like if you manually try to export it, you might miss few of the things. Okay, let's open. I will show you this. Like if anything regarding Unreal or maybe environment or maybe modeling or maybe your OM, anything you can ask me, because right now we have some extra time. We're practicing on Maya, so you can utilize this time to clear all your doubts, all your problems, or anything you need clarification. So what? So it's opening. So by the time I open my Maya, this is something Tarun submitted. So this is kindly will like yeah, kind of like updated all like we have created a like different house, not the exact same house, and this works. And we have added a light also. I can see. Yeah, skydome. Like I'll get into all skydome and lighting and rendering like slowly. But yeah, like we'll create this thing. Right now we have used all the polygon basic, and this is you can see very simple, like very simple object. You already know Max, so same principle. It's just tools are a bit different. That's the only difference. Otherwise, it's exactly the same thing. But Maya is being faster and efficient as compared to Max. So like any few things, not everything, because like Mac also have a lot of rules where like as compared to Maya, where Maya lacks. So both the software basically like when they created this software, Maya was more for production, movie making and all, and Max was targeted towards architecture, then your architecture visualization and all those things. So that's why Max is more efficient while creating architecture, hard surface modeling, and when you create animation or maybe movies and all, for that Maya is more efficient. So like it's like both have their own like this thing. Anyway, so let's see. I hope it's open. So I'll open. Suppose this is my level. We were creating this one, right? So this is something I say. So you cannot select this and export it. You have to go to your content and then check where you have saved the level. Like suppose this is environment version 2. Right click on this, asset action, then you have this option migrate. Click on this, it will show the entire list, whatever is you are using in that particular level from any folder, like from any folder, anywhere you're using, it will like show you an asset list, and then you can click OK. It will ask for a folder where you want to save. You can just simply make it a folder desktop. Maybe name it environment one or two or anything. Open it and okay, it will show you this thing. One notification, because this is not a game folder, this is not a content folder for Unreal, so it might not work properly to show it. This is because this is not a content folder. That's why. That's the only reason showing this error. So no need to worry. Just press yes. So it will export, create a folder at 360. mega action assets plus MS presets and environment one. Whatever is used in that particular level, it will export everything. So now I can just simply copy paste this into my engine and open it. I can open it very easily. By this, it stays optimized also. If you check the folder size, it's only 90 MB. 90 MB, or maybe if it's big environment, maybe 200 MB or 300 MB. So it becomes quite optimized. No need to copy paste the entire project, because that entire project will be for 1 GB, 2 GB something. Reason it have all this starter content and presets, all those things, but we're not using any one of them, so no need to export them. It's clear, right?
Yes, sir. So
And
one
then,
more doubt is that you told there is a way to model within Unreal, right? Like I just want to bend a cylinder. That's it. Like a straight
no,
cylinder. I
no,
just
no,
want.
no, we can't do that. Like modeling, as in, like what you can do is, if I show you, new level. Suppose we have a cylinder here. Do like that you cannot do. So what you can do here, we have this thing. So by default, you can see you don't have that option for mesh editing. So for that, you need to go to your sorry, not content. To go to your settings. Where is the plugin? Plugin. Go to plugin. Select built-in. Then there is a editable mesh. Editable. Oh, it's on. Modeling tools editor. Switch it on, and then you have to restart your engine. Then you can modify. But this is like basic mod. You can extrude and move vertex and edges. You cannot bend and model. There is sculpting tools, but this is not efficient. This is not very good, and it might crash. It's a beta. It's not even beta. It's a no. It's beta version only. Like it's like basically it's not yet like very good this thing. It's beta version, so it's not stable at all. So I won't recommend it to use it. If you want to create something or bend something, do it in Max or Maya and then bring it back. That will be way efficient and clean. Because Unreal, as of now, the modeling toolkit is not very efficient or not very stable. Okay, so you can do it. You have to active switch on this and then restart your engine and restart. Let's don't save. It will restart your engine, and now you will see that modeling toolkit will be there, because it's not loaded. You have to load it. So you see now you have this modeling option. Previously it wasn't there. So suppose let's take the go to modeling. Now you have see you have all the options for transform, create, transform, select, primitive sheets, polygon, path, and all those things of options there. Transform, deform, you see, polygroup, triangles, UV, normal. So triangles and all these things you can modify. Uh, deform, so deform things, you can modify things. And if you want, you can reimage also, like polygon. If you create this, it basically creates a polygon here. So you can create polygons like this, like simply by drawing. And you can see it's perfectly unwrapped. If I want to create something, a little bit complex, like this, I can create. but this is not highly efficient and it won't give you very good quality of yes, it's already these are like primitive shapes and they're all unwrapped by default perfectly UV. So, but a problem with this, like this don't give you very nice this thing. But yeah, if you want to deform something, you can definitely do that. Complete, click on complete. Once you complete, then it's fine. Just you have a sculpt option and all other options. Please deform. See, you can do all those things. Modify, deform. These are not very like good things. Smooth, if you want to do smooth, cancel. You want to like sculpt.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. You can sculpt also, but this is something is not very effective. This is not very